Hey, my name is Nakia from ThriveWithAmazon.com, and just in case you didn't know, I currently do dropshipping on Amazon, and I'm kind of good at it, and I'm here to teach others like yourself how to do it too. So the common question today is, how do I do a return if I'm dropshipping on Amazon? If the retailer is sending the item to the customers, how on earth would I return the item and process it? And let me tell you, this usually confuses the heck out of people. They hear the drop shipping and then they're like, how do I return the item if someone wants to return it? So put yourself in a customer's shoes, or when you buy something online. You would head to the store and start a return, or you'll contact the supplier and start the return process and tell them, hey, I want to return that item. It is easy as a couple steps. First step, head to a retail store online. Second step, get a return shipping label. Once you get that label, you'll then head to your orders tab, click on the returns tab, upload the label, you put in the tracking number, and you'll click any return address just in case there's something that happened to the order, and voila, you click submit. And usually I would tell the customer to let us know when they ship the item, but sometimes they don't, and which is fine. Once you get refunded from the retailer, you'll look in your emails, then you'll go ahead and refund the customer. So you get back your refund, I get back my refund, and we're all good to go. We're all happy family. And that's all it is to returning an item while you're dropshipping on Amazon. Now, if you're looking to learn more about Amazon dropshipping, head to ThriveWithAmazon.com.